I recently got my hands on this GTX 1650 Super. As you can see, she's not in her best condition. Even look at the box, a sickly layer of dust. Unscrew, remove the metal part, carefully disconnect it from the connectors. Now I separate the cooling system along with the plastic casing from the GPU board itself. The video chip, memory and all connectors are installed on it, but behind such a layer of dust you are unlikely to see them. I'm a little scared to unscrew the case. What will be there? Alright, the graphics card is disassembled. Thermal paste, alcohol solution, everything is here. Let's clean, remove all thermal paste and wipe off dust. I don't think I will ever be able to clear my room from that again. Well, how do you like it? I found an endless source of dust. It's good that at least the plastic casing can be simply washed. Now let's fix it up. Carefully glue the pieces of the case mounts, apply new thermal paste and assemble the entire cooling system back. And ready! Just look at this beauty! Now it's quite possible to use it to build a budget gaming PC.